Hey everybody, this is Stand Tall Steve. I'm here in Millville, New Jersey, about to do a great assembly for some awesome students. It's a motivational assembly focusing on respect, focusing on doing what it takes to stand tall, to be the best that you can be no matter what. When you stand tall, you don't think small.
Punch it out, punch it out. We gotta go this far, right? Here we go.
Stand Tall Steve here. I just finished up doing 3 motivational rallies here in Millville, New Jersey. The students were awesome, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. It's all about focusing, doing what's necessary to really maximize their potentials and what they can do. When you stand tall, you don't think small.